Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the customer split screen function in local NVR live view interface. This feature allows us to set the channel layout with personality. Now we have contacted 4 divided panorama channels to the NVR, from D1 to D4. So let's take a look how to configure custom layout with these 4 channels. Firstly, go to System, Live View, View, and click the icon Set Custom Layout. Add a new one. Input a name, for example, Hikvision. And click OK. Now, as we can see, there are 2 icons. One is Joint, another one is Restore. Now, hold the mouse and draw these 2 windows, and click Joint. Then, the 2 windows combine together. Handle the others as the same way. After that, click Save. Now we have already added one layout named Hikvision. So far, up to 4 layouts can be configured. Now let's add a camera channel to custom windows one by one. After that, click Apply. And then go to General, Live View Mode. Select a custom layout named Hikvision we just did, and then Apply. Now go to Live View to see the custom layout effect. That's all for today's presentation. Thank you for your watching.